Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering the essentials and starting the tracking request now. Have your application number, a photo ID, and the registered phone or email ready. This lets you authenticate fast. Once done, use the agency portal or official helpline and enter the application number exactly, no spaces or extra characters. Make sure to record the timestamp and any reference code you receive, because that becomes the primary handle for follow-up. Proceed to check status in the next step. You now execute the core tracking actions inside the official system. Log in and choose Track ID. Use two-factor authentication if offered, because it protects access to your record. Enter the application number, DOB, and solve any CAPTCHA, then read the status codes shown and expand details. If the system lists a dispatch or pickup date, note it. Once checked, save screenshots and the reference code. These prove you viewed the status and speed any future escalation. You finish by confirming final delivery or initiating escalation when needed. If the status hasn't updated after the estimated date, call the local office and provide the reference code. You should request an escalation ticket or inquiry number. Make sure they record the reason, processing delay, address issue, or lost shipment, so you can track corrective steps. If mail is lost, ask about reissue procedures, any fees, and required affidavits. A quick troubleshooting tip: persist politely and keep all reference numbers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.